in advance. But basically, you've got a motor you want to replace, and so you've either ordered or obtained somehow another motor, and so we're going to ship those together as one unit with the gearbox and the motor itself. If you just need to replace the motor and you're pretty confident that the gearbox is in good shape, and I would recommend replacing just the motor instead of replacing the motor in the gearbox as an assembly, if you can do that, because replacing the motor is a very easy task. So you notice that the motor gearbox is connected by these 4 screws, and it's actually very simple to remove those screws from the location on the XAE. The only hard one to get out is this one up here, and so you just have to make sure that you use a good Allen wrench and you can get on that screw and you can get that out. So first we'll unplug the motor cable, and then after removing the 4 screws, the motor simply pulls out of the gearbox. It's pretty simple, and there are really no parts to lose other than the screws themselves, and that's what she looks like. Also need to take off the thermocouple. I didn't mention that, so I have to do that. That's held on by the zip tie, and that's all there is to it basically.